Welcome back to today's video. It has been a long time. So I'm finally here today filming a video. I dyed my hair. That's just such old news at this point. I think I did that almost a month ago, but I thought I'd mention it. I'm here filming a video today. It's been a very long time. I'm not gonna give my long spiel about it, but basically, hopefully, I'm here to film some videos for you, get them uploaded, and be a little more consistent. But if not, you know, that's just hot mess me. So anyway, for today's video, I'm really excited. I'm gonna film a drugstore makeup look. I have not done a video like this in a very long time. Correction, this is an affordable / drugstore makeup look. And that's it, the look. Maybe I'll try to center it a little more around fall, but other than that, let's get on into the look. First things first is I'm gonna moisturize. This is from a new brand, and I actually ended up purchasing not their whole line, but close to their whole line of skincare. This is from the brand Formula 10.06. I don't understand the brand, I don't understand the name, but I like what they sell. So far, I really like this brand. It is on Ulta, and it is, in my opinion, really affordable, especially for skincare. Hydrated. Okay, listen to me, y'all. I have two foundations that are affordable, and I don't think they're dark enough. We're gonna try. This one is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Really, really good. Maybe we'll use the Milani one today. It's gonna be too light. Alright, I'm gonna have to mix in another foundation because it might not look too light on camera, but it is in person. Alright, now for my concealer, I'm gonna use a Morphe one. I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes. I'm going to set that. You all know, if you watch my channel, the Maybelline Fit Me powder, so good. At some point, I'll probably use it in this video. But for right now, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. This is a lot of product, okay? You get 20 grams of product. Maybelline has 20 grams of product. Okay, so that was, see, that's a little misleading, okay? Because you got this giant tub, and then you got the little baby tub, but there's the same amount of product in there. I stand corrected. Okay, anyway, we're gonna set the under eye and the face using this powder. I was trying to limit how much Morphe I put in this video, but genuinely, they're the cheapest, the most affordable thing that I have right now. We're gonna use the Morphe Icon Bronzer. It's a little orange. It's not my favorite, but it's good. I have this little face trio from Makeup Revolution. It's the it's the Patricia Bright face palette. I'll even use this bronzer to contour a little bit. Lovely. Now I'm going to use this blush. Honestly, this whole palette reminds me a lot of like a Becca trio that I had. Alright, now I'm going to highlight with this shade, which looks really, really pretty. Ooh, okay. I'm starting to learn with highlight. That's just what I get. That's just what I get for buying cheap brushes. Ain't gonna stop my party. Judge me all you like. I'm here Monday through Sunday. That highlight is fabulous. Gorgeous. Sorry. Like I said, it's gotta make an appearance. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder to clean up my bronzer. Now, I'm gonna go back to an old favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. I used to adore this thing. This used to be my favorite. The only reason I switched it was because the Morphe one was just a little more precise, but this thing is still amazing. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Soph X Extra Spice palette. It is so pretty. I've used this a couple times. First shade I'm going to take is this one. It is such a pretty brown. And I'm just going to fluff this around my crease area. Now I'm going to take a little bit of, I think, this shade, this one, mix them together, and very lightly go on my outer corner just to darken it once more. Then this eyeshadow right here is stunning, so I'm going to take this and put this all over my eyelid. I'm going to take that highlighter that I used on my face and put it on my inner corner. I'm going to use my finger, because why not? I'm going to go a little darker with this eyeshadow, I think. I'm just deepening this a little bit more with the darkest shade. Alright, now that that's on, I'm going to take this eyeliner from Essence. It is really good. It's called the Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, and I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line as well as my waterline with this. Now I'm going to pop on some mascara, And for my lash, I'm going to take these from Ardell. They are, it says Petite Wispies. And basically what I'm going to do is just cut it in half and put the half lash on my outer corner. I'm going to put that on real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to do the lip and we're finished. The eyes are not, I could have done like more of a full lash, but it's a little more natural, so we're going to go with it. I'm going to use an e.l.f. lipstick. It reminds me a lot of Maybelline, so I'm excited. Let's see it. It's really light, but really freaking pretty. I'm going to put a little bit of gloss. This is Morphe. I'm so sorry. This is the Madison Beer collection in Saturn. Alright, let me fix my hair and I'll be right back. My hair. Okay, so obviously here is the finished makeup look. I don't think that this is any less beautiful than a high-end makeup look. I love this. It was absolutely amazing to use. Nothing was difficult. In fact, I think the eyeshadow was better than some of my high-end palettes. And all around, I would say most of this stuff is considered affordable and it's pretty easy to get your hands on if you have an Ulta, or just buy it online. That's what I do. Regardless, I really hope you enjoyed this video and maybe found some things that you already own or would like to pick up and use. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope to get some more uploads and videos soon. And that's about it. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.